So you found a template you love, but you're wondering, will my colors and logo actually work with this template? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to apply your branding to our Squarespace templates so you can see the process step by step. Hey, I'm Monica. I'm the founder and designer behind Hold Space Creative, a Squarespace template shop for therapists and coaches. And before I get into it, if you need help choosing your brand colors in the first place, I have a free personality quiz that'll help you choose the perfect colors for your brand, and it can be found at holdsspacecreative.com/quiz. We designed our Squarespace templates to be easy to customize even if you've never touched Squarespace before, so applying your colors and logos to one of our designs just takes a few clicks. So once you've received your website, you'll get detailed instructions on this, but it's really just as simple as navigating to Site Styles, this little paintbrush icon, and then Colors, and then Edit Palette. From here, just select each of these colors one at a time and paste in your hex codes here. You can also paste in RGB and HSL codes if you have those, but hex codes tend to be the most commonly used. So I'll show you exactly how this works with this mock brand board that I grabbed from Canva, and we're gonna add in these brand colors to the Jade template. So again, going one by one, I'm gonna click the first color here. I like to work from lightest to darkest in general. Sometimes I switch around those middle colors just a little bit, depending on how it looks on the template. So our lightest color over here, and just paste that in, go to the next color. So as you can see, our colors are starting to change already. So I've got all 5 colors added in here, and in just a minute or so, we've completely changed the look of this template without changing the layout at all. Now, depending on your color palette, you might notice some things like this, where you have some text color on top of a background that doesn't have the best contrast. So you may decide to reassign color themes for each individual section or certain individual sections, but this is really easy as well. So as I've done here, click Edit on your page editor, scroll to the section that you want to adjust. So in my case, it's this section here. Click Edit Section, Colors, and then choose from one of these color themes. So I'm going to choose this one because it still has that like burnt sienna background color, but the paragraph color is a little bit easier to read against the background versus dark 2, where we have that blue color doesn't really show up as well. So I'll just do that. And that was a really simple adjustment. I didn't have to change any site-wide styles. Editing the section's color theme just adjusts the colors that are applied to this specific section, not your whole site. So this is a great way to fine-tune the colors on your Squarespace template after you've added your brand colors to Site Styles. From here, you might notice some graphics that are still showing the original template colors. In that case, the graphics were added as images. So the image themselves will have to be swapped out for an image in your brand colors, or you could just remove the graphic images altogether. To add your logo to one of our Squarespace templates, just click Edit on the page editor, click Edit Site Header, then hover over the site title and logo area, click the edit icon, and then add a logo file here. You can also add your site title in text form if you don't have a logo file, and whatever you type here will show up in your site header. I'm going to upload a logo file. Now, when you upload a logo file, make sure your logo has a transparent background for best results. This will ensure that the colors that you applied to your site will show through and you won't get an awkward white box around your logo. From here, you may want to add your logo to the footer as well. You can scroll down to the footer and then click Edit Site Footer. And again, you can either type your business name or site title in a text box, or you can upload an image. Our footer logo options vary by template, but you can add either an image block or a text block to all of our templates, regardless of what it comes with, so that you can customize your footer according to your preferences. And there you have it. So as you can see, it's really easy to apply your own colors and logos to our Squarespace templates. It just takes a few minutes of adjustments in Squarespace. I didn't get into font adjustments here, but that is an option as well, and one that I might go into in another video. If you're ready to get started, head over to holdsspacecreative.com/Squarespace templates to choose your template. Each of our templates includes detailed and easy to follow tutorials and unlimited email support if you ever need help. Just email us at support@holdspacecreative.com anytime. And if you have more questions that I didn't answer in this video, comment below.